Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Roshi and I'm here for you to help you in your self-discovery. So today I want to talk what to do if somebody irritates you, so if somebody gets on your nerves, how to handle this type of situation. So first I want to explain that on physical level we are separate, in material world we are separate beings. But in an inner level, we are all just energy, just vibration of energy. I am vibration of energy, you are vibration, the wall is vibration. So we are in the sea of vibration, we are in the sea of God energy. So if during the day you find a person that irritates you, so if somebody is cheeky, if somebody is rude, if somebody is mean, and you see it and that makes you nervous, makes you that you feel uncomfortable in yourself, that means that you have that quality and you don't want to live it. So you see how the energy field works. The universal energy, because of your consciousness, your vibration will magnetize that type of energy, because in your consciousness, in your energy field, that quality you try to shut down, but vibrate negative, like a passive. And then universe bring in your surrounding the person who is having the same energy but active, living it. So anything, any quality you see in other person that irritates you, you think, pause a little bit and think, okay, that means I have this quality and I don't want to live it. So everything in our biofield, everything in our energy field, if it's not living, if it's passive energy, if we try to shut down that energy in us, if we want that this energy is not living, that is dying in us, that particular quality what we don't want, that means that this part of our energy is not healthy because we try to suppress it. So how we can heal it? Anytime when you see some person doing something or behaving in some way that makes you nervous, that person get on your nerves, that person irritates you, you do this. Imagine that person, that energy of this person going into you, like breathe, take this like a movie or like a picture of that person that is doing that what irritates you, put inside yourself and try to see where in your body that energy will settle down, where this energy will sit. And then imagine that this person doing that what makes you nervous is shining, make like a bomb, explode of a lot of golden light, and stay like this for 1 minute. You know what you will do? First, you will heal that part in your consciousness, because when this energy settles on some part of your body, it could be knee, it could be feet, it could be heart, head, arm, anywhere can settle this energy. That means that on this part of your body, you have the energy what you suppressed, what is not healthy, and after that you release it and you become more healthy. So if you want, let's try it together. So why will we have the spiritual knowledge if we will not use it? So we will practice. Okay, now close your eyes. Breathe deeply and slowly. And try to remember today who makes you nervous, who have irritated you with his or her behavior. Or if you cannot find today, find somebody who irritates you for long period of time, many years, so I don't know. If somebody is that you are very sensitive, even if you think on that person. So see that person doing exactly the thing that makes you the most uncomfortable, that makes you more angry or you don't like it. See it. Now breathe in and then exhale and see where in your body that energy will settle. Try to find where in your body this energy will sit. Is it in your feet? Is it in your leg? Is it in your stomach, in your heart, in your arms, or in your head? If you're not sure where this energy is settled, just imagine that it's inside of your heart. Because some of us can visualize and see easier, and for some of us it's a little bit harder. So if you see where it is, good. If you don't see where it is, imagine that this energy has sit in your heart. Now, invoke the highest power, divine power, and make explosion of golden white, bright light. Let's do it together. See that this part of your body is shining like 1,000 suns. And just breathe slowly and peacefully. Shining strongly with bright golden white light. It is shining so strong that you cannot see anything, just this light. Maybe now you can feel in this part of your body like warmth or cold or maybe some other sensation. It is okay. If you don't feel anything, it is also okay. Just strongly imagine bright, shining golden white light. Okay? Now you see that light is slowly become smaller. And now open your eyes. In this very short exercise, you will do healing for yourself. And you will see next time when you meet that person or the person who is behaving in the same way, you will see that your reaction on this will be much calmer. Maybe you will not even have reaction. That means you have healed that part of yourself. Until soon, sending you my love, and I hope this advice you will use daily, and you will see in a couple of weeks or months you can totally transform quality of your life. Till soon, bye bye.